Hi everybody, this is Bill from EOT Pro. I'm here talking to you about the EOT Half Cycle indicator, which is this indicator, this blocky looking indicator down here at the bottom. Now, the market really has cycles in it. We always hear cycles, but we don't really know how to use them. I'm going to show you how one possibility of using cycles for your own indicators could be used, and actually how we use them to dynamically adjust our indicators. So also here on the chart I have the RSI indicator, just stock indicator from NinjaTrader. Okay, so what are cycles? Cycles are basically the moves and the pullbacks in the markets, and they can tell you things. And if we compare long cycles, longer term charts with shorter term cycles, shorter term charts to derive this indicator. And you'll notice the value along the side goes anywhere from 6 to 13 in this case. And if I squeeze the chart together, yeah, 6 to 13. So the cycles in gold right now are ranging anywhere between 6 and 13. Now, one interesting way to use this half cycle indicator, by itself it may not be completely useful, but tied in with some other indicators it certainly could be. One interesting thing in usage and how we dynamically adjust our stuff is you'll notice that on all of the stock indicators from NinjaTrader, for example, that the the length input is always fixed at 14. RSI, for example, has a length input of 14. Why 14? Well, they had to put something in there. Guess it was 14. But the cycles, according to the market, are not 14. Right now, they happen to be 8. So if you adjusted this indicator dynamically according to our half cycle indicator and changed it to 8, it might better fit price data right here set to 8. Okay, so if you adjust the RSI compared to the cycles, this should be set to 13 right now. This should be set to 13. And you can see back here when the EOT half cycle was set to 13, you can see the RSI didn't even reach overbought condition. It just started to turn down very quickly. And so that's how we dynamically adjust all of our indicators. The market is not a fixed thing. In my opinion, it's very difficult to apply a fixed length indicator to the market. You need to constantly adjust it and adapt it. And the EOT half cycle indicator can help you do that. So not only can you do that with RSI, but you can also do that with moving averages. Let's put a moving average on a chart. Let's use one of our moving averages, cycle moving average. Let's set it on 8 right now. So from up here over, the proper moving average to the market should be 8. If you were trading back here at this point, the proper moving average would be 13. It's an interesting way to dynamically adjust indicators and dynamically adjust price action. And as you can see, as this fall happened, the cycle started to fall too, which would mean that the moving average would be more reactive down here near the bottom. It would be less reactive up here near the top. So it would have worked out very nicely, where it would have started to turn very early here. And same with stochastics, or same with RSI. I'm sorry. It would have been slow to turn here, getting you in, and as the market fell down, the cycles and the length of the RSI would have been adjusted dynamically. So at any rate, I think you guys get the idea. The EOT half cycle is available in our indicator package, and you can also get the output of the half cycle to program into your own indicators should you want. So it's just a little cool little indicator called EOT half cycle that we have. Thanks for listening.